Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you're someone that loves burning candles in your home, you will love this one from DW Home. This is the chai latte smell, and not only do I really love the smell, but I also love the candle holder. This candle holder is nice and sturdy. It's made of a really thick glass, and they boast that it will burn for 33 hours burn time. And I have to say, this is one of the best candles that I have had, because it burns so slowly and it smells great as it's burning. The chai latte is made of scents of cardamom, ginger, and cinnamon mixed in with some almond milk smell. And as I mentioned, it just smells really, really nice. It's not overpowering, not too sweet, but it just has that little bit of that spice, just like when you taste a real chai latte. I love burning this candle, and it's well made to make a great gift because it feels nice and sturdy, and it's just really pretty as well as it's burning. Great candle from DW Home, but that's just my point of view.